Welcome, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 Nike edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can simply press the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And in this menu, we have a list of watch faces saved on our watch, and we can scroll through the list by swiping left and right on the screen. Now, let's find the watch face you like to use, for example, this one, and tap on it to apply it on your watch, like this. You can also customize the watch faces. For example, let's open the watch face menu again. Under some watch faces, you will see this edit button, and you can tap on it to customize them. First, we can change the background type. Then we can swipe left on the screen. We can change the color, for example. And on this watch face, we can only change two things, color and background. And once you're done customizing, press the crown button to confirm. As you can see, the watch face changed, and now we can tap on it to apply it. And some of the watch faces have more customization options. For example, this one has style, color, complications, basically widgets. You can tap on one and select one, like this. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to save the settings, like this, and then tap to apply the watch face. You can also change the watch faces by using the watch app on your iPhone. So let's bring our iPhone right here. Open the watch app. And in the app, you should have this category called My Faces on the My Watch page. If you're not on My Watch page in the app, you can simply tap right here to open it, and you should have this My Faces category. And right here, you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of watch faces available on your watch, and you can tap on one to select it, and here you can customize the watch face. By changing the things like we did on the watch, but it's a little simpler on the app because it's more clear. And once you're done customizing your watch face, simply scroll down and tap on Set as Current Watch Face to set it on your watch. Maybe different one will be more visible, so let's select this one, and then set as your watch face. Oh, this is gonna be more visible, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.